I love looking at the cherry blossoms in spring.
Do you want me to take a picture?
That would be great. Please.
Do you know how to ask in Japanese if it's okay to take a photo?
How would I do that?
When you come across scenes that are typically Japanese, naturally you want to take pictures. But like anywhere else in the world, some places don't allow it. And even in places that do, some people may get upset if you point your camera right at them. So you should say, いいですか?
いいですか?
OK、いいですよ。
Okay?
Even if you don't know how to say, I'd like to take a picture in Japanese, people will understand if you gesture like you're pushing the shutter button down and ask, いいですか?
いいですか?
OK、いいですよ。
Okay?
いいですか can help you in all sorts of situations.
いいですか?
OK、いいですよ。
It's delicious. いいですか?
OK, いいですよ。
Thank you.
You pronounce it like this. いいですか? いいですか? Easy tips for traveling in Japan. When you ask for permission and if it's okay, a Japanese person will smile and nod. If the answer is no, he'll wave his hand. Some places, such as temples and museums, have signs saying no photos. If you say いいですか while using gestures, people probably will figure out what you mean.
So one little phrase can open the door to communication. I'm ready to try it out. Japanese to go!